Hey, some space news for this video. An enormous structure on the surface of the sun appears to be coming apart, according to this article. And NASA's Perseverance rover finds a strange spaghetti-like object on Mars. I'll get to that in another video. And the Perseid meteor shower 2022 just kicked off. Here's how and when to watch it at this article. I'll put the link below. Alright. Space photographer has shared an image of a huge prominence on the surface of the sun that is speculated to be coming apart. Not sure why they said eerie solar activity ahead of Halloween sunstorm warning. I'm not sure. I mean, October is months away. You don't know why they're putting it. Whatever. Solar prominences are large, bright loops of plasma, electrically charged hydrogen and helium gas that extend outward from the surface of the sun. They can truly be massive in scale, sometimes many tens of times larger than the Earth. While solar prominences can take just a day to form, they can be stable enough to persist for months and months, looping hundreds of thousands of miles into space while anchored to the sun's surface. So, this is one of the images right here, a loop. But I believe that was back in March 2010. Scientists aren't quite sure how they form, but they said it's thought that they flow along the sun's tangled and twisted magnetic field lines. They said they've seen what they call a huge prominence right now coming from the surface of the sun. It's impressive, and it's fast moving. The refractor telescope saw it ejecting and detaching to the side, so it seems to be coming apart from the sun, and it could be heading toward Earth. There's a large prominence visible on the sun. They said it's impressive, but what is spectacular to see a very fast-moving part of it. The refractor telescope spotted it, ejecting and detaching to the side. So that's what they're concerned about, that it could be heading toward Earth. Now, that's probably what, a few days ago, we had a blast that reached the Earth, and that caused some computer disruptions, GPS devices to mess up, cell signal, things of that nature to mess up. So that is possible when this stuff happens. Nothing like the big event in the 1800s that messed up the telegraph wires and what electric grid we did have at the time. If that were to happen today, it would be total blackouts. So just keeping an eye on the sun. There were a lot of scare tactic videos that went out a while back. I really wouldn't call it scare tactic because it's good to keep your eyes open on stuff like this. But I remember back in June, I think it was late June, the sun had a large sunspot facing directly toward the Earth for the first time in a long time, and it was very active and growing in size, and it was ready to blast right toward the Earth. And
with the Rhodium Q-36 explosive space modulator. Imodium Q-36 explosive space modulator. Directly toward the Earth.
Okay, Marvin the Martian.
I'm going to blow up the Earth.
Alright.
So the sun is hitting. The sun is directing its blast directly toward the Earth, doing my job for me.
Alright, anyway, the sun is very active right now. And there were a lot of videos people were putting out saying that it was going to happen, but you can't say that it actually is, but it was something to definitely keep your eyes on. And now it's happening again. The sunspot's very active once more. So it's good to keep your eyes on because it can disrupt our way of life, the grid we depend on. Alright. That was an image that I just showed. They said sometimes they can just disintegrate or collapse together.
It just disintegrated. You're despicable. Me, what's up, Doc?
Be very, very quiet. I'm shooting fireballs. I mean, I'm hunting rabbits.
Alright, so yeah, the sun is shooting a lot of fireballs. Just thought I'd do some voices too. Be very aware and yeah, pay attention, because I'll keep an eye on that. It's good to pay attention to things like that, because you never know. Not a scare tactic, just a watchful eye. Much love. Signing out from this video.